If you're looking to maintain privacy and you'd like your post redirected for whatever reason, Unpost have a super free service. So you go to unpost.com/address point. I'll put the link below this video. So it's a completely free service. You put in your name and address. It does need a middle name or initial. So you just put in any letter, whatever you want. Select your county. So let's say I'm Dublin. And not all post offices have this service. So you just pick the post office that's most convenient for you. So let me pick Chapel, is it? I click the button. And what it does basically is it puts in this little bit, Capel Place, and the rest is the address of the post office. So what you do need to do, it's not suitable for parcels, but if for whatever reason you want to redirect your post, you want to change your address and you don't really want anybody else to know about it, this is a really simple and free service to use. There is no digital record. If you want to change it, you want to generate another address, you just pick another post office. Let me pick Ballsbridge. Just pick another post office. So you see it's the address of the post office and it has this Capel Place bit. So just be aware, not all post offices offer this service. What you do then is you go to the post office and you ask at the counter if there's any post for you and you show them photo ID. So your name and family name needs to match your photo ID. One small point, because I tried this out myself, one small point is that when you collect your post, you need to sign for it. And at the moment, Unpost are using a sheet of paper. So, and they'll write your name when a piece of post comes in for you, they'll write your name on the letter and then you sign underneath it. Now, at the moment, the previous people, so other people's names are visible on that sheet of paper. So it is just something to be mindful of. I have addressed that point with Unpost. But it is something to be mindful of. This is a completely free service. If for whatever reason you want to redirect correspondence to a completely private and totally free address, this option is available for you.